What makes a car enthusiast? So, in my opinion, today it's very difficult to know who are the people who actually like cars because with gas prices being this high, people generally have a certain disdain towards cars. But I think for people like me, and I believe I can speak for a lot of people out there, um, the term car enthusiast can apply to a very broad section of people, but I think we can very much narrow it down to two categories. So for me, car enthusiast means you like cars, but that statement is very plain and simple. So the two categories I think are for car enthusiasts are the driver and the racer. So let me clarify. So racer means that, to me, it means that you're actively into cars. You're into motorsports. You like modifying cars. You actually go and participate in events and actually compete. These are like the top level car enthusiasts that everybody aspires to be. But with life being getting in the way, I think not everybody has the time and money to do that. So the other category I think is the driver. So these people are to me the casual enthusiast, the people who just enjoys driving or just enjoys a twisty road and the slow corners, things like that, or people who just buy a car, modify them and builds them for show, or they just like the cars for as stock or just as it is. So, to me, these are like the two broad categories of car enthusiast, and I just want to say it doesn't really matter what type of car you're into. It can be electric cars, it can be gasoline cars, it can be a Miata, Camry, whatever. As long as you have an active interest in cars, I think you are a car enthusiast. So I believe this is like a subcategory that I didn't mention. Pretty much a lot of people out there, like teenagers mostly, they don't have a car yet, but they're interested in cars. To me, you're still a car enthusiast because you have an active interest in cars. You devote your time to it. So after that, once you do get your car, you can branch out into different subgenres of the racer and the driver category. So to me, that's what defines a car enthusiast. Anyways, guys, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. If you have your own categories, let me know, and thank you for watching.